Okay, this is a video to replace the turn signal on the side view mirror for a 2011 Town & Country. I didn't see a whole lot out there as far as videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd create one myself. Alright, the problem that we had was my wife discovered that the lens had come off of the turn signal, which you see here, the exposed LEDs. It looks like, just basically the glue failed on the lens. I ordered a replacement part from eBay, which I think it cost about $45 to $60. I didn't want to have to take this to a dealership to have it fixed and cost a lot of money. So that's the replacement part. Didn't see a whole lot about the mirror itself, but on the videos they said to pry this out and pop it from the motor. Sounds pretty violent, but nothing broke. It's held in place by the clips here. There's some electrical connections here that work for the blind spot indicator and the defogger. We have the back side of the clips here. There's here and here. If you look at the replacement part, the clips that are holding it in place are these two little nubs here on the top, and this big clip here does the majority of the work, and then you've got your electrical connection here. Now, I found that really the only tool that you need is going to be a screwdriver, and I've got a long-handled screwdriver here, just a regular flathead screwdriver, and you basically pry this front clip down, and then you have to pry on the very top here. I don't know if you can see that down there, but there's the clip that's holding it in place on the top. So you pry that front clip down, and then the top little nub you've got to pry down a little bit, and it comes right out. So we'll do that right now while you're watching. So see how that, I don't know if you could see that there. There. That's a better view here. And then once that's over, you can pry the top nubs down, and then it should, you can get your finger back behind it. Should pop right out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Sorry about the sniffling. Take this connector off. It's hard to do one-handed. So I'm going to put it down, and I'll take the connector off and show you how to reassemble. Okay, I took the old assembly off, and you can see by the connector here, there's really only one way to plug this in. So we'll plug that in. Again, hard to do with one hand. I'll come back. Okay, I plugged it all back in. You just gently push the assembly back in. Now, this clip part goes towards the front. And then basically, once it's all lined up, you press it in place. It snaps right back in. The tolerances are pretty tight on these mirrors, so I said the only thing you need to do is press it in place until it pops, like it just did. And I believe everything is Good. I'll start the car up and test the blinker, and I think we're all done. Alright, car started, testing the blinker, and everything looks good. Successful repair.